Boswellia is a plant with known anti-inflammatory effects due to its content of boswellic acids and other substances. The Indian frankincense tree, also known as Boswellia serrata, is one of the oldest agricultural crops in the world. Its use in Indian cuisine dates back for centuries, which proves its numerous benefits. The resin obtained from the tree bark after cutting is air-dried and highly valued because of its content. Frankincense is an aromatic resin obtained from the Boswellia tree that grows throughout Asia and Africa. It has been used in church ceremonies since ancient times, and today it is successfully used in treating painful osteoarthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Although both Arabic and Indian frankincense have medicinal effects, the Indian one, Boswellia serrata, has been most clinically tested. However, the high demand of frankincense has led to the over-harvesting of the Boswellia trees. The tree bark is cut or stripped to obtain its milky sap. The tapping of the trees was once seasonal but is now happening year-round, resulting in a serious threat to the survival of the wild forest. Unlike Yemen and Somalia, Oman doesn't export the dried resin, just the distilled oil, in an effort to prevent over-harvesting. The chemical compounds responsible for the effectiveness of frankincense are boswellic acid derivatives that inhibit inflammatory processes. All mechanisms of action have not yet been fully elucidated, and only one of them states that frankincense extract interferes with the molecules that enable the accumulation of inflammatory cells in the tissue. When the number of these molecules decreases, the penetration of inflammatory cells also decreases, which is important in osteoarthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Another mechanism is similar to the action of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Boswellic acid derivatives reduce local inflammatory factors, leukotrienes. A clinical study that proved the beneficial effect of frankincense extract on osteoarthritis showed a significant improvement in physical activities, reduced morning stiffness, reduction in movement disorders, reduction in pain intensity, improvement in strength and improvement in joint mobility, without the side effects common to classic anti-inflammatory drugs. Frankincense is used to treat painful osteoarthritis in a dose of 250 to 1,200 milligrams per day, divided into 3 doses, and in inflammatory bowel diseases. In preparations for the therapy of painful joints, it is often found in combination with glucosamine and chondroitin, which have also been tested for osteoarthritis, and an extremely effective combination is also with turmeric, which has been tested for osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and chronic kidney disease. Frankincense essential oils are popular in aromatherapy and aroma cosmetics. Boswellia serrata extract effectively reduces knee pain, swelling, and stiffness in patients with knee osteoarthritis, with minor gastrointestinal side effects. Therefore, Boswellia has significant potential as a phytomedicine and might represent an alternative for classical medicine treatments for chronic inflammatory diseases and might have potential usefulness as an adjunct to conventional modern therapy in the further management of rheumatoid arthritis, as well as in other inflammatory diseases. One of the most traditional uses of Boswellia resin is as incense. The resin burns with a fragrant smoke that's often used in religious ceremonies, meditation, and for purifying the air. To use it this way, place resin tears on a heat-resistant surface or an incense burner. Light a charcoal disc until it is glowing hot. Place it on the burner, unless using a self-igniting disc. Place the resin on top of the charcoal and let it burn to release the fragrant smoke. The essential oil extracted from Boswellia resin can be used in aromatherapy for relaxation and to help reduce stress. You can use Boswellia essential oil in a diffuser or add a few drops to a warm bath. Boswellia resin can be ground into a powder and taken orally for its health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis. It's available in capsules or as a raw powder. Always follow the dosage instructions on the package or consult a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount.